Hey, what's up guys? My name's Derek with the Pit Enterprise and with Insider MX, working on a 2012 Honda CRF 150R. Today we're installing a Leo Vents X3 titanium exhaust on the CRF 150. The only tools you need is a 10mm T-handle, 6mm T-handle Allen, and a spring puller that's supplied with the exhaust. First thing I'm going to do is take the silencer off. I'm going to loosen the clamp. Then take the two bolts, hold it on, flip it off. Next up, we're going to take the head pipe off. Oop. There we go. First we're going to put this piece on. The head pipe slips right into it. So we're going to put this piece in with the 210s, hand tight. I'm going to go ahead and put the springs on. Put the head pipe on, and use a spring puller to put the springs on it. Next up, we're going to put the silencer on. Put this bolt in. Now we're going to use the 6mm Allen to put this bracket on. Alright, now we're just going to put this spring on with the spring puller. Step, we want to tighten up the head pipe. Realize that I got to pull one of the springs off to actually tighten this. Okay. Now I want to tighten up the mid pipe. Then I want to tighten up the silencer. Thanks for watching, guys. That's how you install a Leo Vents exhaust on a 2012 Honda CRF 150R.